little gay boys and girls and fag hags and straight boys who sneak and watch my videos and love me too. Yes. Oh my Jesus. Okay. I really don't like going there. When y'all sit down to talk to me, I do not like to go there, but I'm going to have to today, and I'm going to do it, and I don't feel bad about it because I'm a consumer, so I can talk about this shit. Okay. People, y'all know good and doggone well that we are a porn watching community. When y'all got on the computer to type where y'all wanted to come next, y'all know among many of the different things that popped up in your cookies, www.myvista.com came up in that shit, okay? We love porn. We definitely watch porn. We know who all the porn celebrities are. We go vote for them in the Latino Awards. We know what Raw is. We know what Rockefellers is. We know what Coco Dorms is. We know what all that Supreme and Castro and Hot Rod and all those different people, we know who they are. Trap Boy, Remy Mars, that boy that you saw on the X2 bus, because everybody's making porn now. I was in the grocery store and the little boy counting pennies at the thing. I think I seen him on my Vista somewhere making porn. I mean, really, there used to be a caliber for what a porn star looked like. They actually used to look like something. You would fantasize about it. But now, it looked like that motherfucker sold me some batteries somewhere on the bus. Okay, now first, production quality. Let's talk about it. Why is it that whenever I get a white gay porn, look at this. You see how professional this shit looks? They're not giving it all away on the front cover, okay? And them boys is clean. They bathe. They got on nice, clean, white jock straps. And it's not so overtly sexual, okay? It makes the consumer wonder, I wonder what's going on there. And I mean, you look at it and you read it. You see what's going on. You actually find out who this is in this porn. That's how they easily develop a fan base, okay? And it's easier for them to get work, and they get paid a lot more, because I look at some of the production qualities of these black porns, and it looked like they videotaped that shit through a beeper, not even a cell phone, a goddamn beeper. And you look at it, and you know them boys been paid probably loose cigarettes and packs of Kool-Aid, okay? It looked like they taped some of that shit live on set in a jail somewhere. In a federal state penitentiary. Okay, it looked like two inmates was just getting it on randomly, and some security guard pulled out his beeper, you know, the beeper to alert the rest of the staff, and the shit got a camera function on it because they work, you know, for the government, and videotaped that shit, mailed it in for loose cigarettes and some Kool-Aid, and the porn boys, they got paid the same shit, okay? What is really going on? Can y'all not groom these boys before they make porn videos? I mean, I'm too busy. I look at porn now for entertainment value, okay? Just straight up entertainment value. Ain't nothing else involved in it, because I'm too busy looking at their butt cheeks, wondering whether that's a stab wound or some pimples.